Hey, talking about myself. My name is Lorena Miranda. I am single. I am from La Guajira. I am 24 years old. I am a student. I am a student at Open and Destiny University, the psychology program. I live in Cuestecita. In my spare time, I like to play soccer and cook. Talking about my city. The main took place in La Guajira and Cabo de la Vela, Palomino, and Mayap. The typical food in my city is coconut and rice with fried plantain and fritzi. The main celebration in my city are the war in Ribacha and tribute to the end groups of La Guajira. In my city, I'm convincing a get to come different place. Thank you. Bye bye.